Wow, look at that. What was that? Did you leave? Yo, something just hit my car. Was it? Alright, so we're at the river. We're storm chasing. The storm's about 30 miles that way. And it's getting windy. And we're here for some wind. Alright, and maybe some lightning. It's pretty nice and windy. So the squall line that's coming, we got a lot of winds in there, 50, 60 miles an hour. And I'll tell you how far it is from my exact location. It's 25 miles away, so it's moving about 60 miles, so it'll be about like 20 minutes. Once it goes, let's go. It's wet! It's going to splash! We're under severe thunderstorm warning. I'll read what the warning's for. Okay. 70-mile-per-hour wind gust. Whoa! What was? Did you get that? That didn't even look like lightning. It looks like a generator, not lightning. Oh, not that, not that. Okay. This fool's just trying to figure out my camera for the past 5 minutes. Okay, it's raining. You want to go back to the car? Wow, it's shaking the car. Whoa, is that another generator flash? Okay, I think I'm going to reverse the car, because if that tree falls, I don't want to be in the line of fire. Because that's an actual possibility. Wow. Wow, look at that. What was that? Did you leave? Yo, something just hit my car. It was a trash can. Trash can just hit my freaking car, dude. Yo, I moved my car so I wouldn't get hit. The trash can. Yo, when this is all said and done, we gotta see if it did anything. Oh, that's been like that, but still.
Did it dent you?
Well, I mean, oh, hey, chill.
In your truck.
What? It's been dented like that.
It definitely got more dented.
I don't recall. It looks the same to me.
On that side, not on this side.
No, it was always dented like
it
this.
was not.
Yeah, because I remember. Here, let me open your door. Move out of the way. Yeah, because I remember we always have a hard time trying to open this one, but it's still open. It's fine. Oh, I bought it like this.
No, it definitely got.
Yeah, because the guy was like, "Oh, I've been in the parking lot many times." He was trying to upsell us, you know, saying he pulled this out, and then he could get that pulled out, you know, with like fun. No, that's been there. I would have been much more. You think that this? Look what I did. Look what my truck did to it. You think that this little did that?